Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Corolla SE CVT with the upgrade package. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a head-turning slate metallic color. Under the hood you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your upgrade package is your upgraded rear disc brakes, as well as your heated steering wheel and your power moonroof. Helping you into your Corolla is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening up that door now to take a look. Plenty of space to hop into your Corolla. You also do have that very unique blue trim on the side as part of the motif inside your vehicle. You have your power windows and your power locks, as well as your power adjustable side mirrors. A great convenience feature to have during those cold Alberta winters is your heated leather wrapped steering wheel, and that comes with your heated side mirrors as well. Your Corolla comes with a full set of all-weather floor mats, fit perfectly to your vehicle. And there's that blue trim again, tying all of that cool, sporty style together in your Corolla SE. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your SE, simply put your foot on the brake with that key in the ignition there. That dashboard's going to light up with that sweet ambient lighting. Right now your dashboard is open to your multi-information display, which if you use your steering wheel mounted controls, you can set things like your Toyota safety sense features, like your lane departure alert and its steering assist, turning that on and off, as well as setting the sensitivity. The same goes with your pre-collision system. You also do have your leather wrapped steering wheel, which, as mentioned before, it is heated. Below here you have your other steering wheel mounting controls like your hands-free calling, volume control, mode changers, and voice command. Down here you have your dynamic radar cruise control, which you can set your cruise control from here, and it helps to keep distances while you are driving on the highway. Over here you can see the modern styling of your LCD screen. Now shifting into reverse here, you can see that your backup camera pops up on that screen. It's very easy to read and offers just the perfect amount of safety for your vehicle. In your audio system, you can see that you have your AM/FM radio, you have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary input, and your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Below here, tying that modern style together, is your climate control. So it's all digital, and you can set your air conditioning for those hot summer months. And you also do have your electronic automatic climate control, which does the work for you. Below here you have your 12-volt DC charger, you have your USB auxiliary input, and you also have those heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. You have your media storage, your stylish shift knob with that leather trim. You also have your traction control as well as your sport drive mode. Your cup holders, you have those removable pieces inside your center console here. You have plenty of storage space to store everything that you need. You also do have that removable mat. In this little bag here, you can carry your tire lug nuts. Now with that blue trim, you also do have that blue contrasting stitching on your dashboard here. Very cool. And inside your glove box, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla SE. Plenty of things I didn't get to cover inside your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla SE. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you. It's a nice feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your Corolla. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items in the back. You have your cargo lamp for visibility, and underneath your cover here you have your jack, your tools, and your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. You have your emergency release from inside, and closing it up now, You can see that you also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. With your SE, you also have that chrome tipped exhaust pipe and that chrome badging as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla SE CVT with the upgrade package. Built right into your Corolla is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it, come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.